This video is about Google Photos vs iCloud. Just move ahead to check the main difference between the two storage giants. Part 1. Google Photos vs iCloud platform availability. Google is a go-to app of choice for Google users to back up or manage media files on the cloud. iCloud, a common Google Photos alternative, is limited to its ecosystem and is run by its native devices, while iCloud for web is for Apple users. Part 2. iCloud vs Google Photo storage and pricing. Unlike Google Photos, iCloud offers less free space. However, both services provide you with more options as far as their paid versions are concerned. Here is a detailed comparison of iCloud vs Google Photos, storage and pricing. Part 3. iCloud Photos vs Google Photos photo sharing. Both iCloud and Google Photos users enable you to create links to pictures and share them with your family and friends. iCloud can be used to post images or send them to recipients. Google Photos supports a decent sharing option for users. Part 4. Google Photos vs iCloud Photos editing features. Both of them make it easy for you to manage image collections, edit photos, and backup items. iCloud Photos integrates options natively with Apple devices. Google Photos brings you a wider range of online automated editing tools. Part 5. Google Photos vs iCloud privacy and search options. Privacy. iCloud takes care of 14 data categories. Google Photos doesn't officially resell your photos, videos, or personal info to anyone. Search options. Google Photos and iCloud offer search options for pictures and videos. You deserve a better alternative like Mobican Assistant for iOS. To them to reward you for your busy work and study. How to back up iOS photos using Assistant for iOS. After connected, the utility will categorize all iOS items on the left menu, from which you must choose Photos and preview all the detailed pictures on the right panel. Pick your wanted pics by marking the corresponding checkboxes. Lastly, tap Export and set an output format before saving them.